So we mount the battery sensor, this is a negative terminal, onto a post. This is a post. We place the post through here, and this allows the current to flow, to be measured through by the battery sensor. Here you can see the battery sensor being used on the 12-volt start battery. These sensors can be used on any battery. In this case, we're not using a terminal post, we're actually just passing the cable through the sensor. It's important to see the battery sensor is secured with a cable tie here. If the battery sensor moves slightly on the cable, it can affect the reading. So, connecting the battery sensor, we plug into the sensor, just give a fiddle. We take, there's one of these is a temperature tap and a negative terminal. This one is a temperature tap, and this one is the negative or 0 volts. These now will go into the negative terminal on your first of the 48 volt system. If you look at the cables, the next shortest will be this terminal here. So this is measuring 12 volts. Next shortest is measuring 24 volts. The next shortest one is 36 volts on here. And finally, 48 volts. These are supplied with Nordlock washers. Like that. So with the connections here, we have 12 volts on this positive terminal. There's 24. This positive terminal, there's 36 volts. And finally 48 volts across all 4 batteries. Now we connect the data cable to the battery sensor. So this is the reset button. It's a bit of a fiddle to get to it. When you depress it, you should feel a click, but this will zero the current reading, and also you can change the polarity of the current reading.